Well, I want to take you through right now on the ground what's happening, because India today's brilliant team all over Delhi, different corners, to get you the views not just from the polling booths but what the leaders are saying, where are they, what is this morning looking like. Such an important battle. Remember, it's not just about Delhi, a city or a union territory. It's as much about what can define the national politics. To look at that, our colleagues are on the ground. Shreya Chatterjee, Piyush Mishra, and Aishwarya Paliwal also joining me, Rahul Gautam from Nirman Bhavan, Himanshu Mishra, all other colleagues. And remember, consistently, while they're getting some reactions, then they are joining us for the latest on that. Quick word first from you, Aishwarya. What's the morning looking like? Where are you presently?
इसकी शुरुआत हुई है आज 400 किलोमीटर मेट्रो सिस्टम यहाँ चल रहा है.
Well, Pooja, let me tell you,
जब भी मेट्रो सिस्टम को हम
just cast his vote. He and his wife have just stepping out. We will speak with him in just a couple of minutes. He believes that this is a time when the people of the national capital should be coming out and making sure that they vote for that party that will actually do something for the national capital. And this has been the pitch of the BJP, Pooja. We have seen how they have been speaking about the development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was the one, on whose face the Delhi elections are being fought. And they are saying that the kind of development at the national capital has not seen over the past 11 years. That's the promise that the BJP has now been making. They have been saying that we will make sure that the development happens. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, not once, not twice, has almost had, Pooja, has almost had 5 rallies in the national capital. So with regards to that, he's the person, who's at the front, and it is in his name that this big election is being held. Hardeep ji, we'll try and speak with Hardeep Puri. He's just cast his vote, Pooja, and one thing that he's been saying is that this is not the first time that he's seeing Delhi elections. He's seen multiple elections, but this time he believes that the people of the national capital will vote
for his reaction. Because remember that as Delhi set to vote today, it was 62% in 2020. And this time, can it be higher than that? Are more Delhi residents realizing how their vote matters? The stage is set for a high-stake election issue. And this, remember, while primarily is a 3-corner contest, but there are other parties as well. Of course, the Aam Aadmi Party will want to return since 2013, then 2015, then 2020. They have been in the government in Delhi. Will that continue? Will it be the AAP era, or will there be a change this time? For the BJP, for 25 years, hasn't been in the government in Delhi. Can they spring a surprise? Congress, that hasn't had an MLA in the past 5 years, can they make a re-entry? Remember, amid all of this, there are high-profile candidates. There is as much the Delhi clash that we are looking at. The leaders who have already started to come in, early voters from Sandeep Dixit, Alka Lamba, Hardeep Puri, many others as well.
विकसित राजधानी बनाने के लिए मतदान कर रही है और मैं जनता से अपील करता हूं कि भारी मात्रा में बाहर निकलें, एक बेहतर दिल्ली के लिए, एक विकसित दिल्ली के लिए और भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त प्रशासन के लिए वोट करें और दिल्ली में एक ऐसी सरकार बनाए जो केंद्र के साथ झगड़ा नहीं करे, मिलकर काम करे और बेहतर दिल्ली, बेहतर राजधानी बनाने के लिए हम विकसित राजधानी बनाएं।
ये सब ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद है। दिल्ली के लोगों को समझ आ रहा है कि 11 साल से एक झूठी सरकार उनके बीच में थी जो केवल सपने दिखाती थी मगर कोई काम नहीं किया, और उसका सच हमारे पीछे है। बार बार उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे एक मौका दीजिए, मैं सारी यमुना मैया को साफ कर दूंगा, यहाँ पे डुबकी भी लगाऊंगा, मगर कोई काम नहीं हुआ।
दिल्ली की जनता से मैं ये आह्वान करता हूँ कि आज बड़ी से बड़ी संख्या में अपना मतदान करें, सभी लोग निकले, ये हमारा कर्तव्य है, ये हमारा धर्म है कि हम अपना वोट जरूर डालें। एक हताशा और निराशा जो दिल्ली की वर्तमान सरकार है उनके लोगों में है।
स्पेसिफाइड हमारे कैंडिडेट साहब आ गए हैं, आपका स्वागत है जी। मैं आपके प्रचार में जल्दी जल्दी आया हूँ। बहुत बहुत आपको बेस्ट विशेष।
क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अब की बात दिल्ली के लोग डेवलपमेंट के लिए अपना मन बना चुके?
देखिए, डेवलपमेंट के लिए नहीं, इसमें डेवलपमेंट इज द मेजर प्लान। पर जैसे मैंने बोला, दिल्ली ने के नागरिकों ने देखा है, उनसे जो पहले बोले हम ये कर देंगे, नहीं करेंगे, नहीं आने, साहब के सामने है। और भाजपा का एक मॉडल है जो मोदी जी ने कहा है कि अगर जो हम कहते हैं करके दिखाते, अगर 500 गारंटी दी है तो 499 हैव बीन कंप्लाइड विद। सो इसलिए आप ये मान के चलिए, दिस टाइम दिस इज वन ऑफ अ काइंड इलेक्शन, नॉट अ नॉर्मल इलेक्शन। अगर ये मैं 5-10 साल पहले होता, मैंने कहता लेट पीपल एक्सपेरिमेंट, पर अभी वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है उनका, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है इस बार यहाँ से मेरे भाई साहब विजय होंगे, ही विल बी द विक्टर। इनको मैं बड़े साल से जानता हूं, बट मोर देन दैट दिल्ली में वी विल हैव अ कंफर्टेबल मेजॉरिटी।
दिल्ली के लाखों लोग अपने कल्याण के लिए, अपनी तरक्की के लिए, दिल्ली के भले के लिए वोट करेंगे। तो मैंने कालका माई के चरणों में प्रार्थना की है कि आम आदमी पार्टी।
External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, also one of the early voters. We've usually seen with S. Jaishankar that early morning he does come to cast his vote, and that is reflective, remember, in many ways setting a certain benchmark, because when our netas come out to vote early morning, it's not just about the political affiliations. They're also representing the voter sentiment and encouraging many others to come and get their finger inked. This is the festival of democracy, the power that public gets to decide who they want to be led by, who they want to be represented by, either in the Legislative Assembly, this time the 70-member Assembly, or it is in the Parliament. So therefore this time, alongside, accompanied by the wife, every time you see them early morning, Hardeep Puri, S. Jaishankar, casting their vote. One of the candidates who was one of the earliest voters was Sandeep Dixit of the Congress Party. At about 7:10 a.m. itself, he was seen at the polling booth. So we'll see if the External Affairs Minister does make a statement at all, appealing to one and all to vote. In 2019 general elections as well, remember that the voter turnout in Delhi hasn't been very high, hovering usually between 60 to 65%. It was, remember, in the voter turnout in 2020 was 62.82%. So it was a decline from the previous assembly election, but it was also higher than 2019 general election. So there's been, it hovers usually around 60%, and can we perhaps spring a surprise this time? All right, a bit of gift it looks like as an early voter for External Affairs Minister and his wife.